Hello friends, how are you all? This is Srinivas again. Today I am going to show you homemade chicken curry. How to make it in a simple way. This is useful for all the bachelors, post-bachelors who are forced to stay alone in quarantine or lockdown situation. It's just simple. Just follow simple technique and you will get very delicious chicken curry. For today's chicken curry, I have chopped 5 or 6 green chilies, 3 medium-sized tomatoes, 3 medium-sized onion. I have a ginger garlic paste, the garam masala sachet and chicken masala sachet, 2 of them, and I have taken half a kilo marinated chicken. Chicken I have taken from the shop and marinated it. For the marination process, what I have followed is 1 sachet of chicken masala, 1 sachet of small sachet, it's 5 rupees sachet, 1 sachet of garam masala, 1 sachet of ginger garlic paste, and coriander powder, 2 tablespoons, salt, and 1 egg, and curd, little bit curd, and I have mixed it. I have poured little bit oil also. I have mixed it and just applied the paste and kept it for marinated for about 25 to 30 minutes. Now I am going to start cooking. Friends, since I have taken half a kg of chicken, I have put some around 100 gram vegetable oil. Oil is now heated for 2 minutes. Four, 5 lavanga, biryani leaf, half tablespoon of jeera, Now oil is heated for about 2.5-3 minutes. That means about 200 degree. Now I can put onion, 3 onions, medium size, Keep stirring until it become golden brown or pale yellow. Now I am putting in 2 sachets of ginger garlic paste. This is very convenient rather than just buying ginger and garlic separately and preparing the paste. For bachelors, it's almost impossible, I know. Put the flame little low. Since onions is already cooked, so it should not be overcooked along with ginger garlic. The green chili, Now I am putting marinated chicken. I can put it into high flame. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we are going to put chopped tomatoes, 3 of them, medium sized. Now I am putting tomatoes. Now I am putting 1 tablespoon of homemade curry powder. Little water. I am putting 100 ml of water, so I need more gravy, so that I am putting more water. This should be perfect. Let it cook for 15 minutes now. Then you can add salt if you like, or if you need more gravy, by that time the more water would be evaporated. You want to add more water, you can add, and another 3-4 minutes. So chicken curry is ready. Let it cook for 15 minutes. Friends, now 15 minutes over, and you can see it is boiling. I have just tasted the Colombo. Looks good, and chicken is also fairly cooked. Now it's time, you need more gravy, you can put some more water and accordingly salt. I have tasted the curry, and its salt is enough, but I need more gravy, so that I am putting little water again. I will let it boil for another 3-4 minutes. Then chicken curry is done. Friends, chicken curry is ready. See, I am having it with idlis. Very delicious hot homemade chicken curry. Very yummy, very tasty. Wow. It's very easy and simple. You also prepare and enjoy delicious homemade chicken curry. Bye bye from Srinivas. Do share and like it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.